I've been comparing Shopify and Plusbase throughout 2025, and while both platforms offer robust e-commerce solutions, they cater to different needs and preferences. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a comprehensive, customizable platform or a streamlined, all-in-one dropshipping solution. Shopify is a well-established e-commerce platform known for its versatility and extensive app ecosystem. It supports a wide range of business models, from small startups to large enterprises. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, a vast selection of themes, and over 8,000 apps to enhance functionality. Its built-in SEO tools, multi-channel selling capabilities, and support for over 100 payment gateways make it a powerful choice for businesses aiming to scale. However, Shopify's pricing can add up, especially when incorporating multiple third-party apps, and it requires more hands-on management for order fulfillment and customer service. Plusbase, on the other hand, is tailored specifically for dropshipping. It offers a one-click store setup, integrated product sourcing from a curated catalog, and handles order fulfillment, shipping, and customer support on your behalf. Plusbase's built-in payment gateway simplifies transactions, and its focus on conversion rate optimization helps maximize profits. While it streamlines the drop-shipping process, Plusbase has limitations in terms of customization, third-party app integrations, and is primarily suited for selling products from its own catalog. If you're looking for a flexible, scalable platform with extensive customization options and a broad range of features, Shopify is the better choice. Conversely, if you prefer an all-in-one solution that simplifies drop-shipping operations with minimal hands-on management, Plusbase offers a convenient alternative. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your e-commerce goals, please like the video, share it with someone exploring online selling platforms, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.